So guys, I want to show you how to operate your headlights. Now this is a Toyota RAV4, but it should be pretty similar on your vehicle. So this is what the little stalk looks like. This is usually off to the left here. And what you're going to do is a lot of them have auto. So when it says auto, it's going to automatically turn on and off your headlights. Now this is a pretty good one to leave it on, and it senses that by, usually on the top panel here, it has a little sensor. That's the sensor there. And when that senses darkness or, it's raining, it's going to usually automatically turn on. Now that doesn't always happen, but if you notice that it doesn't, then you can turn it to headlights on with that symbol. And the way you know that is on is you can see on the dash, you're going to get that little green symbol there. That means your headlights are on. This one on the right, these are your fog lights. So when I turned it there, that just turned it on, and then you get confirmation with on to the right there. That symbol means that those are on. Now to turn on your high beams, what you would do is push it forward. So say you're driving, you need your high beams on. You see how I just pushed that forward, and then confirmation of that, you get that little blue symbol. That means your high beams are on. So you can push it back this way, push it forward. Towards you means that it's off, and then pushing it forward means that it's on. Now, if you look down farther here, you can see this DRL off. And what that means is usually you're going to want to keep that on. Those are the daytime running lights, and you would only really use that, say, if you're parked. The thing that comes to mind is, say, you would keep that off. You would turn it DRL off, say you're in like a drive-in theater or something, somewhere where you would want to park your car but turn your car on but have all the lights off. Generally, you're not going to have that because that helps people see you when you're driving your car when it's raining. But say something like a drive-in theater, you would want to maybe do the daytime running lights off. But that's maybe one of the only times. If there is another time, let me know in the comments. This symbol right here are parking lights. So these are your parking lights here. You can turn that on by that. And then say we go down to auto again. This is the automatic high beams. So you can see that symbol there. We have turned on the automatic high beams. Now, if you come up here on this vehicle, it said to activate the automatic high beams, you're going to want to push this forward. You see we don't have a symbol up there confirming that we have those on. And that's because we have the auto feature on, but the headlights aren't coming on yet. But this should still work. Now, the auto feature should still work with the fog lights too. So the fog lights should come on when you have the auto feature on. So now we pressed it forward, and what we can do as well, so say we turn this up to where we have the headlights on, we are going to get that feature here. So say it's saying the headlights are on and the automatic headlight feature is on. So that's what that A with the symbol is, and it matches down here. So what that is when you're driving down the road and you're going to have your automatic high beams on when there's not a car coming towards you. So when a car comes towards you, it's going to automatically sense that and turn the high beams off, which is a pretty cool feature you may not know about. We're going to turn that back off, and we just had the lights on. We have the high beams off. Now this other button right here to the left, this just dims your instrument panel. So by moving this up and down, you can see my instrument panel, it's dim. And then I always just have it pretty bright because so I don't have to mess with it when I'm working with it at nighttime. So I hope this video helped, guys, with the different modes on the lights for your vehicle. This one is a Toyota RAV4 2020, but they're pretty similar in other vehicles as well.